This is the sound of night in my back patio. I don't know if you guys can, well, I don't know if you guys can hear the crickets. It's, let's see what time it is. Almost 12 o'clock. Lightning and thunder hasn't started yet, but my power went off for a couple of minutes, then it came back on, but just wanted you to hear the brief sounds of night, summertime, and it's still like 82 in my house. Love you all. Oops, let's see what Honey Girl's doing. Yeah. Hi, Honey Girl. Anyway, I just wanted to share you all that. Have a good night. Love you all. Remember, Lori's Crochet Corner will be going live tomorrow night, Sunday evening, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come and show her some love. She has wonderful lives. And let's have some fun. Remember to find joy in your journey, no matter where you are, whatever you're going through. There's always something to be joyful for and about. Remember to love yourselves and to love each other. Before you can love someone else, you've got to love yourself first. Bye-bye.